Milton's engine house. Tractors. Even though it says Roland's warehouse, but that's a big machine. I'm not quite sure what that is. Looks like it does a lot of stuff. Oh, it's something to do with a feeder, some sort. Oh yeah, so they got little signs on them. The Boss water pump. I don't know if you can see. It's quite dusty. Oh, it says what it is. 1930s. Oh, so something sub clover. Whatever that is. Who knows? Blackstone oil engines. Oh yeah, so it looks like it sorts something out and then like a mesh, like a fly screen. This reminds me of something to do with like mining.
Yeah.
Because it's got the mesh, like a pull out thing and then another mesh thing. And then at the back it's got like the bit where the dirt comes in. So yeah, it might be something mining. What's in there? The Ajax water pump. Have a look. Come mow the grass. There's a mower over here. Probably take you a couple months with that. Yeah, I still reckon that's something mining. If you guys know what this is, please let us know in the comments, because I'd love to know what that is.